naman, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community, and that is you guys.
Yes.
For today's vlog, nagpapasalamat po kami for Thirsty and Fab for inviting us to their newest store dito po sa Angeles City. It is a collaboration of two businesses, no? So si Thirsty, they have been serving milk tea, and then if you recall guys, si Fab Wings, we were able to feature them at home. So
Yes.
finally, we were able to go to their store. So congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Samahan niyo po kami sa vlog na to. We're gonna be featuring their food and some of the promos we're gonna be mentioning them.
Yeah, so tara,
Let's
let's
go.
go!
Hi, welcome to Thirsty and Fab. My name is
My
Lizelle.
name is Nick.
And today, feature lang namin what we have in our store. So, our specialties, we have, of course, milk teas, salads, chicken wings.
Pasta. And we also have our bundles for Mercado and family and also for party. We have the chicken wings for Bilaos. And also we have rice with chicken wings for your meal.
Thirsty, sir, is, nauna kami before. We cater actually milk teas, smoothies, and some snacks. Pero hindi kami talaga nag-focus on food. And then my cousin decided and his wife to come up with the chicken wings, which is Fab. The reason bakit Fab is,
We just Athena and Bernard, that's our name.
that's the reason bakit Fab. We came up with Thirsty and Fab. Naisipan namin na i-collaborate because they're from Magalang.
Yes.
Pansin namin na most of the customers de-demand dito sa Angeles. So,
Yeah.
sabi ko sa kanya, why don't we come up of combining the two businesses para at least isa na lang. Ganun kami nag-decide na ipagsama yung Thirsty and Fab.
For the wings, we have the sweet garlic, hickory barbecue, and we also have the ultimate hot honey, garlic parmesan, and the chili garlic butter. The namin is the salad and the pasta. And also we have the chicken sandwich.
Thirsty is the same. More on focus lang kami on milk tea. Smoothies are still the same. We have the cream puff series, and of course, we added the Thirsty ice pops, like ice candy na ginawang milk tea. So, on the go, kung gusto mong kainin, gusto mo sa bahay, if you're a big fan of milk tea, pwede ilagay sa ref, and anytime, pwede mong kainin.
Yes.
We already have a lot of distributors. We have Guagua, Magalang, Pasig, in Antipolo, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan. And we're still open for resellers. The reseller price is 1,080. Murang-mura lang. We came up with this naman because we would like to help other people, especially with the pandemic situation. So, kaya kami come up ng reseller, 72 pieces of Milky Ice Pops. And then, the distributor is 4,320. And then, that's a total of 60 packs of Ice Pops.
Wow.
We're open sa mga gusto. You can contact us anytime. You can visit here also in our store if you want to be a reseller or a distributor.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us again. Sa mga food na nasa table natin, we're gonna introduce them to you one by one. They do have a promo which is really good sa mga, like for example, a small gathering, family gathering, or even a barkada merienda.
For as low as 888 pesos, you could get 30 pieces of chicken wings,
Yeah.
4 pieces of rice, and 4 milk teas.
Can accommodate up until 5 to 6 persons,
Yes.
no?
Also, meron din silang tinatawag na family bundle which has 40 pieces of chicken wings, 6 pieces of bubble tea, and 6 pieces of rice.
We're not gonna bore you guys. Titikman na natin yung magkain nila.
Yes. So, I'm interested doon sa chicken wings nila.
Actually, so na-feature ko na to before sa bahay and grabe, it was really, really fabulous guys. I'm gonna taste yung mga bago naman nila na sinaserve. I'm gonna taste this Thai chicken salad. So, not everywhere you can get, Thai cuisine, di ba? So, this is available here.
Sa mga bubble teas pala nila, they have 3 categories. So, meron silang milk teas with pearl, meron din silang mga cream puff with pearl, and also yung smoothies nila. Ayan. This is the green apple. Siyempre, tikman din natin.
Well, I have to comment yung nila, no? Yung Thai chicken salad na, it's so fresh. I mean, it's not the regular vegetable salads, but this is actually no Filipino taste at all. It is Yeah.
Authentic
From Thailand
Thai.
talaga, yeah.
So this is the tomato and basil pasta nila. So kanina, ang galing, tinorch nila to before nila sinerve.
Made it more, aromatic. So for their milk tea, I'm gonna taste winter melon. Yeah, always been my favorite, guys. So, una na kita dito, no? Go first with their ultimate hot honey. Yeah, ultimate hot honey.
So I comment dun sa pasta nila, no?
Huh?
Sobrang meaty at the same time, yung cheese nila, perfect.
So again, I remember guys when we were featuring this at home, hindi ko po makakalimutan yung they came all the way from Magalang and then pagdating sa bahay, the skin nung chicken wings natin are still crispy.
Wow.
I think that's one of the yung parang selling point nila and nagustuhan ng mga taga Magalang.
So ako naman, I'll go for the Japanese glazes nila.
So yung bilaon nila, it also comes with french fries plus yung dip natin in the middle.
Ang lasa,
What can you say, man?
ang sarap. Promise.
I can still remember, sinabi ko dun sa vlog ko, yung mga taga-Magalang talagang masarap silang magluto. No? I mean, they really love the craft in what they are doing. Lumalabas dun sa pagkain.
Yes.
I think these are just the right sizes para up until dun sa buto
Loob.
natin. Yeah,
Yes.
sarap the bones, parang ganyan.
Same time, kung naghahanap na kayo other snacks, we
Huh?
also have here yung kanilang crispy chicken burger. Taste it naman. So, as you can see, wow. Siyempre, yung chicken nila. At the same time, meron siyang cheese, tomato, lettuce.
You have your fresh vegetables plus super thick
Check it out.
meat.
One big bag.
One big bag.
Visit us here at MacArthur Highway in front of AUF beside Mercury Drugstore. So you can visit us anytime. We're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Again, we cater a lot of food. Come and check out our food. We have salad, sandwich, chicken wings, and of course, our milk.
And we do delivery around Angeles. We have minimum of 500.
You can also order through Food Panda and Grab.
Alright, so again guys, it's always a good day dito sa Thirsty and Fab. Sabi nga dito, positivity in everything. So, thank you so much for inviting us, Thirsty and Fab. This is our newest milk tea store and some specialty dishes na located dito sa Angeles City. Make sure to check them out if you want to know more about their products or the business opportunity that they are providing. Make sure to check out their fan page. It's flashing on your screens right now. Yeah, have a positivity in every cup.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Thanks for watching, guys.